own shit. Keep my nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep my nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. It is one day until my couple hours until my birthday. It's the Saturday and my birthday is on the Sunday. I'm currently going to go to a brunch, birthday brunch. You know the whole weekend belongs to me. You know this. Anyways, I'm done already. Waiting on Nicole and Yannick to pick me up. Right. So meet me on the road. So them finally pick me up. So we reached our destination. Guys, just look at the view. Oh wait, this is the view. I'm the view. But no, like for real, look at the second view. Because you know the view already there, so the sun kinda distract it. But you know, it's so nice. Look at Yannick right there. Yannick! Say hi. You poop, Nicole? I hope that not getting a video.
Got it!
You're gonna?
Got it!
With a bag? No. Kalian pick up something. When you're gonna come back up here and do that? Okay. Yannick barefoot.
Big like dumpling.
And Nicole try to get somewhere to take pic. So we're at dinner finally. Took we like an hour before we could eat because Instagram at y'all them. Instagram at y'all them have to take them picture first. Candlelight dinner with my wife and mate. Who is the wife and who is the mate? One girl has to look like one mate. Baby look like a wife.
That me look so. Bitch, why are we eating? What the fuck? No. Is it serious? Yeah, okay, wife. But I am one. Where's the ring? I don't want to wear it, bitch.
Oh, wow.
You know, with my vlog. I'm not any dirty.
What is strawberry that look like? You know some never see? Well, remember some more time like strawberry that and then like then I put it on it, but every bar have it.
Yeah, actually.
Guys, we're going to take shots. I think I miss more take shots. Or tomorrow, no, tomorrow we have to take shots. You have vibes? You look like you have vibes.
Yes, I live in the outside.
And we have no vibes no today, and Nicole, we have a big vibes.
I let me just say where the vibes more
They
for.
bring me cake.
Say them both.
Long enough, you could have So Nicole already eat fair food. So man and Nicole still in there. Yannick, alright? I'm with you. Nicole, you alright? I don't need any.
Our food is finally here, guys. Toshika and I got pork chops. Yanni got oxtail. Rich gal. Our beverage is on the way. Yes.
Show them how juicy my meat is. Juicy, juicy. Juicy.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, we really wanna wish you. Happy birthday, may the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday, hippie hooray to you. Happy birthday to you.
Aww.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Her birthday.
Right.
Alright, so I have to make a wish. I wish for pure happiness and pure money to me, all of my friends, and everybody with me love. Our night has come to an end. It's about 8 something, like about 8:30. So we're just waiting to pay our bills and leave. I'm not sure if I'm ending this vlog and starting a new one tomorrow, or I'm going to continue it. When I know, I'm not sure, but
Guys, look how cute this is. This is the cake. It's cute. Okay, bye again. Hey guys, good morning. I think I'm going to continue this vlog, like instead of making it 3 vlogs, we could probably make it into 2 or 1. I'm currently on my way to Yannick and Nicole, and as you can see, in pink again. So obviously the team was pink, felt like a girl. And yeah, then started earlier because we're rushing. Well, always a rush, but this is a morning thing and we definitely can't be late for it. So see me when I reach to them or when I reach there. So guys, we reach, but don't be a little upset when you do the vlog and the video, because sometimes I wonder if my friend is really upset like that. What call we? Serious, sometimes I really wonder. At times, like really annoying. But Ali we reach in time. And we're bored right now, so just don't listen.
are going back. Oh, going back home now. But the vlog isn't over as yet. So stay tuned. Even though I'm barely vlogging anything. I'm going to try and catch more footage, hopefully. But we're leaving Port Royal now, going back into Kingston. Or going home, I should say.
Hey guys, so it is the day after my birthday. It's the Monday. I was supposed to do this yesterday, but when I reached home, I was so freaking tired. I couldn't push myself to go and get ready again or even be out. So I'm at the AC Hotel or AC Marriott Hotel having dinner with my boyfriend. And check it a good light. I'm currently in the bathroom making this intro, but I'm going to vlog as much because it's a dinner. There's nothing really to vlog at that time.
So I took a burger because the menu is limited. And he took ribs. So it's after 12 and we are leaving. So I think I'm going to end the vlog right now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe.